This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to cancel Letterboxd Patron. So I'm right here on desktop. I'm on the letterboxd.com site. First thing you need to do to cancel is to come up to your profile. So hover over your username and image of yourself. Click on profile. Right here on the main profile now, you will click on edit profile. And you can see in the top right here, it says, thanks, you are Patron via Paddle. So it's confirming that I am in fact a Patron member. I will now click on manage subscriptions. It will show your active subscription here. We can see Patron again right here, and when it is auto renewing. We then click manage subscription, and from here all that's left to do, it says that it's auto renewing. It says the payment method, you can change the payment details if that's what you want to do. View the transactions. It says that I'm paying with PayPal, which is correct. But in order to cancel, you will just hover over the cancel button. It will turn red, as you can see, and you will click there and follow the instructions to cancel. I'm not going to cancel right now as I'm a proud Letterboxd member, but if you want to cancel for whatever reason your Patreon membership, that is what you do. Hover over cancel, click cancel, that will cancel your Patreon membership. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.